This video is sponsored by Model3Part.com. For all the latest and greatest Tesla Model 3 accessories, visit Model3Part.com.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So, it's about that time. I've had the Tesla Model 3 for nearly 2 years now, and I haven't changed my windshield wiper blades at all. And they're starting to get to that point where they do need to be replaced. So I figured if I'm gonna do it, I might as well do a video and show you guys how to replace your windshield wipers. And you're probably saying, really, it's not that big of a deal. Well, you see, the windshield wiper blades are tucked up underneath the hood, especially the driver's side, so you can't really pull them out. So there are two things that you need to do in the car to get those windshield wiper blades up on the windshield so you can put the replacement blades on them. And I'm going to walk through that process and of course talk about these windshield wiper blades from Model3Part.com, which you can get both the driver side and passenger side for about $30, which is a lot less than the OEM branded Tesla Model 3 windshield wiper blades that you can get from Tesla.com today. So let's jump in the vehicle. Let me show you what you need to do to get the windshield wiper blades up onto the windshield so you can get them replaced. And then we'll do a side-by-side comparison so that you can see the differences between this blade and the OEM version. Let's dive right in. All right, so we are in the Tesla Model 3, and there really are just two things that you need to do to get the windshield wipers in a position so that you can get them replaced. You just come right into the menu, and then service, and then right here you can see wiper service mode. All you do is toggle that button, and boom, your windshield wipers come up, and now they're ready for service. So without further ado, let's jump on the outside of the car and get these windshield wipers replaced. So you can see that we have both the windshield wipers up on the windshield, so now we can easily go ahead and get them replaced. So all you have to do is fold up your windshield wiper arm, and then there's a button right on the face of the windshield wiper blade, and all you have to do is push in, and the blade comes right out. And now you're ready to put your new blade on. Let's do the passenger side. All right, so same thing here. You're just gonna lift your... Uh-oh. Did I just find something wrong with my Model 3? The windshield wiper arm will not go up like the driver's side. Hey, comment down below and let me know if you have the same problem as I do, or does yours actually fold up like it's supposed to? It looks fine. Doesn't appear to be bent or cracked or anything. I might have to call Tesla Mobile Service on that one. So comment down below, please. Let me know if any of you have the same issue or not. But yeah, it will not fold up. All right, so the same scenario applies here. There's a button right on the front. You simply push that in and gently place your arm back down on your windshield if this is in fact the case for everyone. And then voila, your windshield wiper blades are ready to be replaced. So let's do a quick comparison side-by-side, OEM version versus the Model3Part.com version, and see if there are any major differences between the two blades. All right, so here we have the two blades side-by-side, and I'm just gonna stand them up so that you can see they are exactly the same length, if I can get them as even as possible. But yeah, they are exactly the same length. They have exactly the same connectors, the two push buttons. One major difference, and I'm gonna attribute this to just these being a little bit older, but these are obviously very flimsy, certainly ready to be replaced compared to that of the brand new blade. And you can just hear the stiffness. But it's pretty much the same design for a lot less money if you decide to go a third-party route. But exactly the same size, and I'll do the same here with the driver's side. Get that in frame there. Sorry about my arm being in the way, but again, exactly the same size. The only difference that I've noticed are the ends are slightly different than one another. The OEM version here is just a little bit longer. Don't think it has anything whatsoever to do with the function of the blade at all. I think it's more of a cosmetic thing. I will also note the top plastic piece seems to be a little bit more sturdier here on the Model3part.com version versus the OEM Tesla version. And it could just be wearing over time. But again, here, the blade is, I would say it's pretty worn out on the OEM. And then we're going to have a nice stiff blade on the new Model3part.com replacement blade. And again here, exactly the same size. Try and get that into focus here. Exactly the same connector between the two. So these should slide right on. So that is a comparison. Now let's just throw these on and we should be wrapped up. All right, so we have our replacement blade here. Here is the hole where the clip is gonna slide right in. So you just line it up, tip pointing down, slide it right in, snaps in really nicely, and you're done. All right, so that was really easy. Let's do the passenger side real quick, and then we'll wrap this up. All right, so the same principle applies here. You just wanna take the tip pointed inward, slide the new blade in, make sure it clips in, and you're done. That's it, it's that simple, folks. So please comment down below, check your Model 3, let me know if this arm is the same for you or does it go all the way up like the driver's side did. So thank you so much for tuning in, folks, we truly appreciate it. I hope I was able to provide some useful information for you. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.